Good morning. I am Bharti, taking social studies for 4th standard. Today I am going to tell you about family and friends. What is that family? In family, types of families are there. Nuclear family, joint family, single parent family, and extended family, etc. In this, in brief, I will tell you only 2 points. Already you have learnt in your previous class. Just brief information I will give you. First, nuclear family. Nuclear family, a group consists of two parents and their children. That is nuclear family. Two parents and their children, that is nuclear family, living together. And joint family consisting three or more generation living together in one house. That is joint family. Three or more generation living together in one family. That is joint family. Nowadays, we cannot see joint families more. More nuclear families are there. Why? Because people are shifting to cities for their job purpose or any business purpose. Their parents live in villages. That is why we can see more nuclear families nowadays. Now next is friends and a friendship. What is friend? Friend, someone who understands you. Someone who understands your feelings. Isn't it? Friendship is a relation between two friends. But friend is very important in our life. We share our problems, feelings to our friends. Of course, we share our feelings and problems to our parents. But some feelings we cannot share with our parents, isn't it? We cannot share with our parents. We are sharing with our friends. Some feelings we share with only our friends. That is why friend is a important role in our life. This is about brief family and friends. Children, now our next lesson comes. Lesson name is learning from our family. The lesson name is learning from our family. Subheading family and friends. This is subheading family and friends. Learning from our family. Here, all are having your textbooks. Just open this textbook. This is your social studies book. In this, science and social studies both lessons are combined. So this is one book, social and science. So open this book, social studies, first lesson, page number 9. This is page number 9 and the first lesson, learning from our family and friends. Now first, reading ahead. What is the reading ahead? Warm-up activity. This one, Jumelia. One girl, about Jumelia's family, they have given here. They gave two photos of Jumelia's family. Now I am going to teach you about Jumelia's family and next Rani's family and the changes in their parents. Okay. First point is Jumelia's family and changes in her family. Second point, Rani's family. Third point, our parents as children. These 3 points I am going to explain today. First one is Juveria's family and changes in her family. All open your textbook, open this page number 9. Here, what they are doing, Juveria is sitting with her grandfather and looking at their family album. Juveria is sitting with her father and looking at their family album. What is album? Okay. Album is a collection of photos. Album is a collection of photos. Album is a blank book. Wherever you go for a parties, any function, birthday party, or for a picnic, or for a tour, you will take photographs. That photographs will insert in one book for a memory sake. That photos will keep in one book. That is called album. So now this Juveria is seeing her album with the grandfather. Children, just see this picture now. 2 pictures are there. Juveria's family photo taken in the year 2011. One is taken in 2019. 2 photos are there. In this, changes are there. What are the changes? First, here 6 members are there. Juveria, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother and her aunt. Second picture, Juveria, father, mother and a grandfather. Only 4 members. So in this picture, 6 members are there. Here, 4 members are there. One change. Next, Juveria, she was baby and sitting in father's lap. In this picture, Juveria is grown up and playing with her father. And one more, here, Juveria, so aunt and a grandmother. Juveria's aunt and grandmother, they are sitting in this photo, but here they are missing. In this photo, both are not there and they become older also in this photo. So these many changes are there in Juveria's family over the last 8 years. Because this photo taken in 2011, this in 2019. So 2011 and 19, so many changes are there in Juveria's family. So many changes are there over the last 8 years. So many changes take place in all the families over the years. Now, this is first point, Juveria's family changes and in her family. Now next, we move to Rani's family. Here, how Rani's family changed over time. Now, page number 10. Open page number 10. Turn page number 10. Just see here. Here also they have given one Rani's family photo. All see this photo. This photo taken in 2008. Which year? 2008. Rani lived in joint family. She lived with her parents, grandparents, aunt, uncle and an elder brother. In 2008, Rani lived in a joint family and with their parents, grandparents, elder brother, uncle and aunt. In 2010, Rani's aunt got married and she shifted her new house in Singapore. Rani's aunt got married in 2010 and she shifted to Singapore. One member is less. Now already here 8 members are there in this photo. So this aunt got married in 2010. In 2012, Rani's uncle got married and his wife became a part of her family, isn't it? This uncle got married, her uncle got married and his wife became a member of her family. Next, 2014. In 2014, uncle and aunt blessed with the twins. Again 2 members increased. Uncle and aunt blessed with the twins. So here total 10 members are there in her family now. Aunt had a twins in 2014. So total 10 members are there. Now here her photo. Now in this, Rani's brother got job in USA. He is leaving soon. So again one member will be less in her family. But one photo they are given here. Rani's family taken in the 2019. This is latest photo of a Rani's family. This one only 9 members are there. But Rani's elder brother is here only. In this photo he is there. But one member is missing, that is Rani's grandfather. Is not there in photo. So how many changes are there? See now in her Rani's family. 2008 to 2019. So many changes are there. Like that, in all the families, changes will be there. Not only your family, in not only my family, in all the families, changes will be there. So now here in this picture, they have given one question. Side of this picture, they have given one question, and a space is provided here to write the answer. Now I will give you some points to write there. Just all take pencil and write it there in your book. Clear? All take pencil and space is provided here. What I am going to write here on the board, just copy that in your book. Ready? Okay. Now what is the question? Question is, how did Rani's family change between 2008 and 2019? All these many changes. Just now I told you 2008 to 2019. That one by one points I will write on the board. Just you write it here. Space is provided. Write with the pencil. So first point, 2008 Rani lived in joint family consisting 7 members. Second one, 2010. Rani's aunt got married. And 2012, her uncle got married. His wife became a part of her family. Fourth point, 2014, uncle and aunt blessed with twins. Fifth one, that is 2019. This recent photo. In this picture, her grandfather is missing. This is the answer. Here, once again, I'll repeat all this. All write in your textbook, this book, with the pencil. 2008, Rani lived in joint family consisting 7 members. Consisting of 7 members. In 2010, Rani's aunt got married. In 2012, her uncle got married and his wife became a part of her family. 2014, uncle and aunt blessed with twins. Aunt had twins. 2019, in this picture, her grandfather is missing. So these many changes are there over the last 11 years in Rani's family. From 2008 to 2019, these many changes are there over the last 11 years. So this is the family changes in Rani's. This is second point. Rani's family like this changes from the year 2008 to 19. Now activity type. Here one activity is there. What is that? Draw and show the changes in Rani's family tree between 2008 and 19. Same family tree we have to draw. I will show you how to draw them. And one more work I will give you. One family tree. How to draw, first I will show you. I will give one work for you also. First, this is the family tree of Rani. Here, grandparents, grandfather, grandmother. Rani's grandfather and grandmother. They have 3 children. Rani's father, first one, Rani's father, second one, Rani's uncle, third one, Rani's aunt. Grandfather and a grandmother. Here they are having 3 children, Rani's father, Rani's uncle and Rani's aunt. Next, here Rani's parents means Rani's mother also including this. Now they have 2 children. One is Rani, one is Rani's brother. Here Rani's brother. And uncle got married, one this aunt, her aunt added in this number. This aunt got married, she shifted to another place. But in this family tree, we have to show that family members. So here, uncle and aunt blessed with the twins. This is the family tree of Rani. First grandfather, grandmother and their children, 3, Rani's father and mother, Rani's uncle and aunt, this is one aunt. And here Rani's elder brother and uncle and aunt children, twins, both are there, twins. So this is the family tree of Rani between 2008 to 2019. 2008 to and 2019. This is the family tree. And these are all changes in Rani's family over the last 11 years. Next, families keep changing over the time. Sometimes they become bigger because due to some members, addition of some new members in this family. Sometimes family members move to another place for a higher education or for a job opportunities. But whether they settle in another city or another country or separately, but they love each other. This is the important. Some members addition, new members addition in a family. That time family will become bigger. Sometimes become small. Why? Because in that family members move to another place for a city or a country for their job sake, for a higher education. That time family members become lesser. That is why. But love is very important. They are living separately, but they love each other, isn't it? Now, next, I am going to tell you one thing, one word. Just now I told you I will give you one word. What is that word? How I showed you about Rani's family and the Rani's family's tree, like that, you have to ask your parents or elders how they changed, how they have changed in their families over the last 10 years. How your family has changed over the last 10 years. Just you ask your parents. And draw a family tree like this. Over the last 10 years means so many changes will be there. Ask your parents, they will tell you about their 10 years. So ask your parent and do this family tree. I'll show you one like this. Take one like this paper, drawing sheet, and write here family tree and ask your elders and draw with a pencil one family tree of your family. Clear? Ask your parents and take elders' help and ask them how changed over the last 10 years for your family. Just ask and draw like this foot family tree. Now next, our parents as children. Last point. Just imagine when our parents were young, like us, our age. Just think it will be wondering, no? So like that, here she saw one photograph of her parents. Who? Rani. See all page number 10. Here they have given one picture. Rani's parents' picture this is. When they were young. That photographs are there. Rani saw these photographs. When her mother was young, she used to like riding bike and cooking. Now her hobbies are changed. Now her hobbies are gardening and reading books. Totally different. But her father's also same. When he was young, he used to collect the stamps. Now he is doing, he likes to bake something and cook something in his free time. Totally different. Rani realized that her parents have changed a lot. When they were young, their hobbies are different. Now their hobbies are different, totally changed. When they were young, her mother likes cooking and riding bike. Now her hobbies are reading books and gardening. Her father's also. When he was young, he used to collect the stamps. Now his hobbies, bake something or cook something in his free time. Like that, Rani realized parents have changed a lot over the years. People change over time. So their looks, their likes, habits, dislikes and hobbies totally changes as they become older, isn't it? So like that, just you think yourself over the last 5 years, what all changes are in you? Just think it and discuss with your parents. What changes are in you over the last 5 years? Like that you can ask your parents also. What changes are there in their life over the last 10 years? Whether their hobbies changed, whether their foods liking food, that clothes and hairstyle, you can ask them. Here they have given some points also. You can ask like that, these many questions. What is this question? I'll read it out. Have your hobbies changed over the years? Whether their hobbies changed. Has your favorite food changed? You can ask your parents whether their favorite food also changed. How have your clothes and hairstyle changed? Your clothes and hairstyle also changed. Like that questions you can ask your parents and discuss with your parents. Now I will give one homework. See children, some students what they are doing, because some parents told me what they are doing, whatever we are writing on the board while explaining time, they are copying all this in their classwork. Don't do like that, because while explaining just we are writing on the board. When we will tell any work in the classwork, we will inform you. So don't write all this, whatever we are writing on the board, don't write in classwork. Now I am giving homework. Separate books are there for you. 200 pages for a classwork and 100 pages for a homework. So don't write this classwork, this one. Just parents told me, don't write. Now homework I am giving. Homework. Homework number 1 and write today's date. Homework number 1 and today's date in 100 pages notebook with the pen. With the pen. Here, words to remember. I'll give some words. First one, album. Second one, increase. Third one, photograph. Fourth one, education. Fifth one, twins. Sixth one, opportunity. Seventh, separate. Eighth one, hobby. 8 new words are there. Album, increase, photograph, education, twins, opportunity, separate and hobby. Total 8 words are there. All this write in your homework book with the pen, and each word write 5 times. How many times? 5 times. Each word write 5 times in your 100 pages notebook, homework book. This is your homework. So children, now I am concluding my class, my online class. Stay home, stay safe, have a good day.